A Chinese medical team stationed at the Lekma hospital in Accra, the capital of Ghana, has offered free surgeries since last November to restore the vision of Ghanaians suffering from cataracts. Cataract is a common cause of visual impairment. To restore sight, patients need to undergo surgeries, but the costly surgeries prevent low-income Ghanaians with cataracts from accessing treatment.
I can't see well. When I'm walking, just some tests, I want to fall down. I was having blurred vision, so I came and it was detected I'm having cataract.
Elizabeth Zopei regained her vision this week after the free surgery performed by the Chinese medical team. Chen Zhixing, an ophthalmologist and a member of the Chinese medical team, led his Ghanaian counterparts in conducting new cataract surgeries.
I've been working with Dr. Chang and he's been helping me to do this new, I do the old type, which is the manual small incision cataract surgery, but he's been helping me to do this type, the phaco emulsification, and he's been working with me. We well work together with the nurses. It's teamwork, so it's been going on very well.
More than 10 cataract patients have regained sight thanks to the Chinese medical team's help since last November.